Hey guys, Mike Thompson here. Welcome back to another episode of MunzTV. Here we are at the California house. Come check out what we got going on over here. Multiple things happening throughout the project. Right here we have a beautiful new fireplace, mantle setup, TV above, gas insert, window on either side. Come check out the kitchen and bathroom. So we're here standing in our soon-to-be brand new kitchen. I'm standing in right where the new range is gonna go, new location, sink base staying where it is, couple new window layouts, vaulted ceiling, really tall upper cabinets. Can't wait to see this one. So here we are, we're standing in the new master suite. We're currently in the master bedroom. We bolted the ceilings in here, changed the window layouts, all nice tall windows from floor to ceiling. Come check out the master bath. Here we are standing right directly in our new shower location. We got a new master bath going on over here. Jack and Jill set up right over here. Toilet room, skylights, new windows. Come on, check it out. Hey guys, so we just got wrapping up doing our walkthrough. Stay tuned for more. We got a two-tiered deck coming your way.